Are you? Would you be waiting there too? I'm used to staying with you. Would you be waiting?
Hello everybody, welcome back to Eve's Stories. Thank you for joining us today. This is the outside of the house I'll be showcasing today, the first house I'll be showcasing today. I hope you're going to enjoy this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe.
To staying with you. Would you be waiting?
This is the sitting room of the house we'll be showcasing today. So when you enter, you can see how big it is. You have a window right here, which is bring the light to the room. So the sitting room has a good lighting. Let's go to the other rooms and see how they are.
Would you be waiting?
This is a 2-bedroom house, and this right over here is your first bedroom. There is no much difference between the 2 bedrooms because the size is the same, and I feel the design is also the same, so you can just pick either one to be your master bedroom.
I'm used to waiting. Are you?
This is the 2nd bedroom of this house. As I had said, the sizes are the same, so you can just look at it and you compare with the other one, and you see there is no much difference between the two. The house has a separate bathroom and a toilet. So this one is the bathroom. This that we're looking at now is the bathroom. Then after here, I'm going to showcase the toilet.
I can't find you. I'm used to waiting. Are you? Would you be waiting there too? I'm used to staying with you.
So this right here is your kitchen. On top and the bottom, you have enough cabinets for your storage.
Would you be waiting?
This is the balcony of this house. We are done showcasing this house. Let's go to a different building, also a 2-bedroom. And if you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like, share and hit that subscription button.
You'll be waiting there too.
We are in the living room of this second house I'm showcasing today. So it has an open kitchen and it's just close to the road. So as you can see, that's the road passing through there, and at this stage is Kihunguro. So this is the balcony of this house.
Find you. I'm used to waiting. Are you? Would you be waiting there too? I'm used to staying. Would you? Would you be waiting? Dopamine when you send pictures. When you send pictures.
This is the open kitchen of this house. The prices are going to be in the description box and the number to call in case you're interested with this house. In case you need help in looking for a house, you can just DM me on Eve's Stories Instagram and I'm going to help you look for a house. Enjoy the video. This is the washroom of the house. This is the first bedroom of this house. It's a master and suite. And this one is the second and master bedroom of the house. That is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.
Find you. I'm used to waiting. Are you? Would you be waiting there too? I'm used to staying. Would you? Would you be waiting? Find you. I'm used to waiting. Are you?